Important announcements and updates on applying tourist e-visa in Spain.
Important announcement. Fully vaccinated Filipinos with a valid Schengen visa can now travel to Spain. For more information, please visit the link below. For English, for Spanish, please note, the vaccination certificate is not part of the requirements for visa application. Therefore, there is no need of submitting any sort of information regarding this particular, and neither BLS nor the consulate will evaluate certifications. Important update. A new regulation has been issued by the Spanish Ministry of Health dealing with the health measures to be implemented and concerning the travelers arriving in Spain. In this regard, it is mandatory for prospective travelers to know about the following. All passengers arriving in Spain, may it be by air or sea, will undergo a health check carried out by Spanish authorities before entering the country. These controls may include a temperature check as well as documentary and a visual assessment of passengers' condition. Before initiating the travel to Spain, all passengers originating from any airport or port must complete a public health form. It can be done online at www.spth.gov.es or through the free application, Spain Travel Health SPTH. Once the form is filled in, the person concerned will receive a QR code which will have to show upon arrival in Spain. A transitional period is established until July 31, 2020, in which international passengers who have not been able to complete the public health form electronically may fill it and present it upon arrival in Spain in paper format. Please be guided accordingly and always stay safe. Applicants who wish to apply for the tourist visa category are strongly advised that before planning your trip to Spain, you have to be aware of the potential existing restrictions of the Spain authorities and have to be currently self-updated on these restrictions. The Spanish Consulate nor BLS Spanish Visa Application Center will not be held liable for any changes whatsoever in your travel arrangement. To book an appointment, please visit our website at Visa application form has been changed. You may download from our website at Stay at home, stay safe. Submit your application at home, book our doorstep service, and we will come to your place at your time. We are relocating to new office starting from February 3, 2020. Unit 1903, 19th floor, Philippine AXA, Life Center, 1286 San Gil Puyat Avenue, Makati City. Travel insurance is mandatory for traveling to Spain. Applicants may get the travel insurance from the authorized insurance companies. BLS employee must provide receipt for all the services availed and paid at BLS Spain Visa Application Center. Please write to feedback.us@blsinternational.net if you have not received receipt for any payments made in the Spain Visa Application Center. Appointment, checklist, and application form are available free of cost at Spain Visa Application Center. You can also download the forms on this link. BLS Spain Visa Application Center does not provide any other services apart from reception and processing of Spain visa applications as authorized by Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Spain.
Please like and subscribe. Share this to your friend if you think they need this.